Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Son of Man. So, the title Son of Man is a messianic title Jesus used for himself. Rooted in Daniel 7 to verse 13 to 14, where one like a son or of man approaches the Ancient of Days to receive dominions over all creation. It affirms both his true humanity and his full deity. Since the figure is worshipped and given authority over all nations, by his title, Jesus declares himself the suffering servant who identifies with humanity and the divine King who reigns eternally. This title secures the truth of Christ's real humanity and his role as representative head of his people, fulfilling what Adam failed to. So, ayon po sa Daniel chapter 7 verse 13 to 14, sinasabi po ito na, "In my vision at night, I look and there's before me was one like a son of man, coming with the clouds of heaven. He approached the Ancient of Days and was led into presence. He was given authority, glory, and sovereign power. All nations and peoples of every language worship him. His dominion is an everlasting dominion that will not pass away, and his kingdom is one that will never be destroyed." So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, the Son of Man is a mysterious prophesied ruler. So, ang Son of Man ay hindi basta ordinaryong title sa prophecies sa Old Testament. Siya ang pinangakong hari na may kapangyarihan mula sa Diyos. Mysterious siya kasi hindi agad naintindihan ng taong kanyang full identity. So, next is, the Son of Man is the eternal divine of King. So, hindi lang siya hari for a time, kundi eternal. Siya ang tunay na hari ng lahat, hindi natatapos ang kanyang reign, kasi siya ay divine, galing sa Diyos mismo. So, next is, the Son of Man is the suffering servant. So, kahit siya ay hari at Diyos, pinili niyang magdusa para sa atin. Kaya ang servant ay nagbibigay ng buhay para iligtas tayo, fulfilling Isaiah prophecies ng suffering servant. So, next is, lead by being a servant of all. So, kung gusto mong maging leader, huwag bossy o selfish tulad ni Jesus, dapat handa kang mag-serve sa iba. True leadership is a servanthood. Next is, live with the humility of Jesus. And last, level up greatness by being Christ-like. And I lang po, maraming salamat.